Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the app supports a menu bar icon and that your Mac OS is current. Open System Settings, then go to Control Center or Dock and Menu Bar depending on your Mac OS version. If a padlock appears, click it and authenticate. You need admin rights to change visibility. Once done, locate the section that lists apps or system modules. This is where you control whether an icon appears in the menu bar. Make sure the app is installed and running before continuing. Next, find the specific app entry under the appropriate settings panel. Apps often appear by name or as a category. Toggle the option labeled Show in Menu Bar or Keep in Menu Bar to on. Some apps use a separate setting inside their Preferences app menu. If the app provides an internal setting, enable the menu bar icon there and then quit and reopen the app. Make sure the app is not hidden by a third-party menu manager. Temporarily disable such managers to verify visibility. Finally, position the icon by holding Command and dragging it to the preferred spot in the menu bar. This does not work on all Mac OS versions, but try it first. If the icon doesn't show, open the app's preferences to confirm the option, quit and relaunch the app, and if needed, restart your Mac. If problems persist, toggle the Control Center/Dock setting off and on, reinstall the app, or check for Mac OS updates. One key troubleshooting tip: test in a fresh user account to isolate system versus app issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.